I remember Shailendra, when you landed up here,
Yes, sir.
you were rather apprehensive about your.
Sir, as is told by some instructors here, that knowledge is power. The positivity is the one of the most important aspect while a person is giving the psychological test.
Now there are 4 points which one should keep in mind if one has to succeed in SSB.
But when he is undergoing the SSB procedure, it will become one of the OLQ which is very demanding. Some of the tasks will be very different which you are not seeing here. And this is what the real SSB is.
So generally you find in most of the training academies this type of instructor is not there.
And it is very important to have a good general knowledge and to have the knowledge about what are the current things which are happening in our country and outside the world also.
A lot of emphasis on public speaking.
Many of the candidates think that getting 370 or 380 marks is just enough to crack the NDA written examination, but their mentality is wrong.
We hone all these skills of our candidates who sir come to us.
तो अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा ब्रिगेडियर बीबी जानू साहब को कि ब्रिगेडियर साहब आप शैलेंद्र से संवाद करें और एसएसबी से संबंधित ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जानकारियाँ बच्चों तक पहुँचाएं ताकि आगे जो भी बच्चे भारतीय सेना में ऑफिसर बनने के इच्छुक हैं उनको सारी बारीकियाँ इस इंटरव्यू के माध्यम से जानने को मिले।
Shailendra, congratulations once again.
Thanks a lot, sir.
And I am so happy that you are joining Indian Naval Academy Azimala and you are part of NDA 144 merit list.
Yes, sir.
Now I would like to ask you few questions and suggestions based on which your other friends will get benefited. Now firstly, the SSB coaching that we provide here in the Prince NDA Academy Seeker,
Yes, sir.
did you find it adequate or would like to add something or something that you found after having gone through the SSB procedure in Dehradun? Did you find anything missing or you want us to delete something or add something here?
Sir, actually I would say that all the setup which I had built in the Prince NDA Academy, it is really very helping. It is completely adequate, and I would say that there is nothing which should be added or which should be subtracted from the current things which are undergoing, because I had personally feel that whatever I had learned from the Prince NDA Academy, it was completely beneficial. All the things which I had learned from here are the same as what the aspirant will get in the SSB center.
How did you like it after having attended that interview when you appeared for the real interview in the SSB?
Sir, after giving the mock interview at the Prince NDA Academy, I was able to find out that what my real fault is, what are the wrong points over which I was going. So after that interview, I was completely able to work over that, and on reaching the Dehradun, I think that I worked all over that points and I remembered all the points, and then I was able to have a good contact with the interviewer.
Now after we have finished your psychological part, so we gave you your dossier in which you had written those 12 stories of TAT and VAT, and before that you carried out 2-3 practices also. Now you would have analyzed that dossier and certain actions that you would have carried out to rectify your mistakes. Did it help you?
Yes, sir, it completely helped me, because if an aspirant is directly going for the SSB, then he would not be aware of what type of words you have to use while formation of the sentences. He is not aware about that what the things are really going to be happen there. So in the TAT stories also, I initially when I did not attended the classes, I was just making stories which are not that much senseful, but after analyzing me in this academy, I was able to make good stories. And as I told you that the positivity is the one of the most important aspect while a person is giving the psychological tests.
Okay, let's come to the GTO tasks. Now GTO tasks have got PGTs, HGTs and command tasks, and then you put through these lecturates, group discussions. Were they helpful, or would I like to say that we should have more of this, or they were adequate?
Sir, it is completely adequate if you are saying about the GPE and GD and other tasks also of the GTO. But as it is known to everyone that while going the progressive group task, half group task and full group task, some of the tasks will be very different, which you are not seeing here. And this is what the real SSB is. So you should have a good mental thinking while you are undergoing that procedure. But the things which are taught in the academy, they are adequate, completely adequate if you are going for that task also, because they will develop your mentality. They will tell you that what the things, how you have to think about that tests also.
Now we had one more, the fourth instructor. He gave a lot of lectures on current affairs and also conducted your reasoning tests, etc. So generally you find in most of the training academies this type of instructor is not there.
Yes,
So
sir.
how useful was his contribution in your selection?
Sir, as is told by some instructors here that knowledge is power. So I would say that general knowledge is very important, and as you had told me that many of the academies does not have these instructors, I would say this is the most important thing which develops the mindset of any person or any candidate who is going for the SSB. The questions are asked by the interviewer also regarding the general knowledge, and it is very important to have a good general knowledge and to have the knowledge about what are the current things which are happening in our country and outside the world also.
I remember, Shailendra, when you landed up here,
Yes, sir.
you were rather apprehensive about your individual obstacle tasks. These 10 of that, 10 obstacles were there. We had laid them out here. And the first time when you did it, I found that you were quite hesitant. You were not
Yes, sir.
sure of yourself. And I'm sure in the SSB, after having practice here, you must have got more than 10 in 3 minutes.
Yes, sir. I was able to complete all the 10 obstacles in the stipend amount of the time, that is 3 minutes, which is given to every candidate. And I was quite feeling easy when I was doing that obstacles again.
In the end, I would ask for your recommendations. The curriculum that we are following here, student is coming to us in 11th class, then it remains here with us in 12th class. Besides the boards, we are teaching the student on a human psychology, we are teaching him on current affairs, we are trying to improve his communication skills, and we are also putting him through the PT and games in the morning and evenings to improve his physical conditioning. And any suggestions that you would like to give to students who are aspiring to join here in future, or those who are about to appear in the NDA written exam and the SSB?
Firstly, I would say that many of the candidates think that getting 370 or 380 marks is just enough to crack the NDA written examination. But their mentality is wrong. At the time when the merit list will become, then they will come to know the real truth behind that. So the curriculum which is followed in this academy, where you are just aware of every subject, you are focused over the geography, history and every subject, that is very important. You should get good amount of the marks, that is nearly 500 you had to just try to, and many of the candidates from Prince India Academy had scored also. So I would say that is very important. And the physical fitness, as sir you are talking about, it is very important, because it not just only gives the confidence in a person, but when he is undergoing the SSB procedure, it will become one of the OLQ which is very demanding by the GTO side also, by the interviewer side also.
See, as part of the curriculum, we lay lot of emphasis on public speaking to improve the communication skills, both verbal and written, of our candidates. Towards that end, we have been putting the students through the debates, dramas, quiz competitions, and reading the news in the morning assembly. How helpful is that? Would you like to comment on it?
Yes, sir. Actually, communication skills plays a very important role. as the instructor will there also the instructor will say that if you feel any problem you can jump over the Hindi also, but I will say that English speaking is not just only an art, but it is very important when you are undergoing there, and you will feel that every candidate who is there will speak in English. And as you were talking that the speech competition, debate competition, reading the magazine, that's very enough if a person is aspiring to have a good communication skills. That also plays a very important part in my life also, to develop this much of English speaking skills. So I will tell every candidate, every aspirant, that you should follow this type of curriculum where you had to speak, you had to have a conversation with your friends in English, you had to read magazine, local newspaper which are printed in the English, and you had to actively take part in debate competitions, speech competitions, parliament competitions and all.
Okay, I'll take this opportunity to tell our viewers that in Prince India Academy here, we have got all types of facilities that are needed for a candidate to prepare for his written exam as well as for his SSB. SSB standard GTO tasks have been constructed, individual obstacle course has been constructed, group obstacles have been constructed, and we lay a lot of emphasis on public speaking, enhancing the communication skills of the candidates, because most of the students who come here are in habit of talking in Hindi, and their written English as well as their spoken English is very weak, and this is one of the major reasons for their non-selection in the SSB. Now there are 4 points which one should keep in mind if one has to succeed in SSB. First is communication skills, written as well as verbal. Second is the general awareness, what is happening around us in the economic field, in the financial field, in the foreign relations, in the SAARC countries, what is happening in Asia Pacific regions, and you name it, and you should know it. Third one is knowledge about the service that you want to join, like Army, Navy or Air Force. You want to join Air Force, you should have the knowledge about the various aircrafts that our country have and their characteristics. Similarly, if you want to join Navy, then you should have the rudimentary knowledge of aircraft carriers, the destroyer, the ships, the aircrafts that are there on board our aircraft carriers, submarines that we have likewise. And fourth is more than the average personality. A person should look confident and should have positive attitude towards life. In Prince India Academy, we have got students in 11th class, 12th class and those who have passed 12th class. It is our endeavor to put each and every student through the SSB capsule of 15 days, for which a specialist team comes from Chandigarh. The interviewing officer, Commodore Manjeet Singh, group testing officer, Colonel G.S. Badwan, and psychologist, Colonel Chima. And there is a personality development instructor, Mr. Kapoor. They come to us and stay here for about 15 days. We conduct this SSB capsule of 15 days every month. All our students are put through the SSB capsule much before they appear for their NDA written and SSB. They are told about their shortcomings, their weaknesses much in advance. Some of them even 1.5 years before they have to appear for SSB, and this lead time is there in which they can rectify these mistakes. On a daily basis, we conduct classes for general subjects, general awareness, current affairs classes, personal development classes, side by side with the boards classes. So a boy or a candidate who is weak in 11th class has got ample time to improve himself in all these aspects and should feel confident by the time his SSB comes. We hone all these skills of our candidates whosoever come to us, and make it a point to visit our website and know for yourself what we really do here in Prince NDA Academy. Thank you.
तो बहुत अच्छा डिस्कशन ब्रिगेडियर साहब और शैलेंद्र का रहा। एक डिफेंस के रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर हैं और दूसरे डिफेंस के अपकमिंग ऑफिसर हैं। तो एक बार पुनः मैं सभी को इस बड़ी सफलता के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहूँगा। सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ।